Is the 2026 Kia PV5 the electric family vehicle that could make traditional SUVs look outdated? Stay with us, because this isn't simply another electric van, it's a completely different approach to space, practicality, and everyday driving. And by the end, you'll know whether the PV5 passenger plus long range actually makes more sense than a conventional SUV. Welcome to V8X, your home for premium automotive reviews, first looks, and the world's latest vehicles. Meet the 2026 Kia PV5 Passenger Plus Long Range, a 5-seat all-electric passenger vehicle from South Korea, built on Kia's new PBV, or Platform Beyond Vehicle, architecture. Instead of pretending to be an SUV, the PV5 embraces its boxy shape, and that turns out to be one of its biggest strengths. From the front, Kia gives the PV5 a futuristic interpretation of its signature tiger face. The slim LED lighting flows upward toward the A-pillars, while the clean upper section and robust lower bumper give it a distinctive road presence. Along the side, the tall body, large glass area, sliding doors, protective cladding, and practical 16-inch alloy wheels make its purpose obvious: maximum usability without looking like a traditional commercial van. At the rear, vertical LED tail lamps and the wide tailgate complete a clean, modern design. And that boxy silhouette isn't just about styling, it creates an enormous amount of usable space. Step inside, and the PV5 becomes even more interesting. The cabin centers around a 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen and a 7.5-inch digital driver display, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, OTA software updates, and a 6-speaker audio system. The Plus trim adds power-adjustable front seats, heated seats and steering wheel, wireless phone charging, and additional convenience equipment. Kia Australia Plus One. But the real luxury here isn't expensive leather or flashy ambient lighting, it's space. Kia claims up to 1,330 liters of luggage capacity behind the second row, expanding dramatically when the rear seats are folded. The low step in height and dual sliding doors also make getting passengers in and out exceptionally easy. Kia Australia. Now let's talk performance. The long-range version uses a 71.2 kWh battery, driving the front wheels through a 120 kilowatt electric motor producing 250 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km per hour takes around 10.7 seconds, while top speed is 135 km per hour. Official WLTP range is up to 256 miles, or about 412 kilometers. Kia Australia. And charging is one of its strongest arguments. With a suitable 150 kilowatt DC charger, Kia quotes approximately 30 minutes for a 10 to -80% charge. Plus models also bring V2L capability, allowing the vehicle to supply electrical power to compatible equipment. Kia Australia. Safety is equally serious, with forward collision avoidance assist, lane following assist, highway driving assist, parking sensors, reversing camera, and, on plus, blind spot collision avoidance and safe exit warning. Kia Australia. So, what does it cost? In the UK, the PV5 Passenger Plus Long Range is listed at roughly £39,475 on the road, before applicable incentives, making it substantially more affordable than many premium electric people movers. www.kia.com. Compared with BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Lexus, Land Rover, or Cadillac, the PV5 isn't really competing on badge prestige. It competes on space, efficiency, practicality, and value. The pros are clear: huge interior volume, excellent access, strong electric efficiency, fast charging, useful technology, and Kia's 7-year, 100,000-mile vehicle warranty. Kia Australia. The downsides. Its boxy design isn't for everyone. The 135 km/h top speed is modest, and real-world range will inevitably fall below the WLTP figure depending on weather, speed, load, and driving conditions. So who should buy it? Families, airport operators, shuttle users, campers, and anyone who values maximum usable space over traditional SUV styling. If you want a sporty luxury SUV, this isn't your vehicle. But if practicality is your priority, the PV5 deserves serious attention. The 2026 Kia PV5 Passenger Plus Long Range isn't trying to be the ultimate SUV, it's trying to prove you may not need one. Specifications, pricing, equipment, availability, and incentives can vary by market and dealership. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe to V8X, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest cars, EVs, SUVs, and performance machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.